Happy Friday, class! So today we're going to be comparing and contrasting both of the texts that we have read this week. The past couple days we've been comparing and contrasting just within each specific text, but now we're going to be comparing the overall stories as a whole. If you need to refresh your memory about the text, you can either download the text on Edsby in the My Library section, or you can go back and watch the previous videos where we actually read the text aloud to each other. Either one works for you, but if you need some type of refresher, I'd highly recommend you do that. In this PowerPoint specifically, or this video, we're just going to be specifically looking at the questions you'll be answering on Edsby and the standard focus. So we're not going to be reading the text on this video. So our standard focus, again, is compare and contrast. We're looking at the similarities and differences between the characters, the settings, and the events that happen in the story, and we're using some specific details from the text to help explain our answer, or help explain those similarities and differences. So the first text we read was Flying Blind. You're going to use the YouTube video for Flying Blind, or you're going to download it from the My Library section on Edsby to kind of refresh your memory on this text. The second text we read was Nighttime in Texas, and again, like what we did with Flying Blind, you can either rewatch the YouTube videos, part 1 and 2, or you can download it from the My Library section on Edsby. Okay, so the questions that you're going to be answering, the first one is a multiple choice question. Okay, so number 1, which of the following is true about both stories? A, both stories involve some kind of unexpected event. B, both stories involve working together. C, both stories lead to a happy ending. Or D, both stories are about first responders. So you'll just pick A, B, C, or D for number 1. Number 2, how does each story develop the topic of suspense? So suspense is kind of that build up, that excitement to find out what's going to happen within a story. So how are these stories giving you that feeling of suspense, or helping develop the suspense as you read it? Give text evidence to support your answers. You can either give text evidence from Flying Blind or Nighttime in Texas, or both. But how are these stories giving you that suspenseful feeling as you read it?